The police are investigating a massive gun and ammunition find at the Freeport Wharf in Montego Bay, St. James, Friday evening. National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang says the find is a good sign that the security forces are working to put a dent in crime. Shamela Pullen reports.
Approximately 3:30 Friday afternoon, a massive find at the Freeport Wharf in Montego Bay, St. James.
A particular warehouse, and the police was called and has been able to identify in the investigation 22 firearms illegally brought to the country, 21 Glocks and a small 38 Cobra.
National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang visited the Freeport police station after the find. So far, no one has been arrested in connection with the find, but Dr. Chang says the security force will be relentless in their efforts to nab those involved.
I want to commend the collaborative effort and to say to the country, the security teams working in collaboration will continue to find this kind of firearm. The criminals think they're smart, and they are smart, but our professional teams are better.
He added it is a tough fight, especially in the parish of St. James.
This division in particular has been finding a lot of firearms. They have been doing extremely well in the last quarter and in the beginning of the year, and they have a history of getting the firearms, but there are a lot of illegal guns in this division, and as I said, the team gets better at it. Superintendent Ellis and his team has proven extremely effective in really finding firearms and disrupting gangsters, but it's a tough area.
With concerns about lack of resources, the security minister says the government will continue to equip the security forces with the necessary tools.
The success we're having right now reflects the success of the investment and the effort to coordinate the entire operational teams of police, customs, MOCA, and Coast Guard. This evening I said the critical teams were customs, police, CTOC, and our supporting partners to find the arms and seek to identify the sources and their destination. Police has a good idea of all of this aspect of it, but we'll be doing detailed investigation to apprehend the criminals who are seeking to undermine and damage Jamaican society.
Meanwhile, 33 guns have been recovered in the St. James Police Division since the start of the year. This is a reduction when compared to 41 last year this time. Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.